Hello everyone. Today let's know whether mediation is legally binding. The settlement agreement is binding if the case settles at mediation. Clients must understand that the mediation settlement agreement is a binding contract which can be enforced in a court of law and that the parties may not later change their minds. Under the Indian Contract Act, a settlement agreement is considered to be a valid and enforceable contract. However, there are certain conditions that must be met for the agreement to be legally binding. These include 1. Free consent. Both parties must give their consent for the settlement agreement to be valid. Consent must be given voluntarily without any coercion or undue influence. 2. Consideration. A settlement agreement must be supported by consideration. This means that each party must give something of value in exchange for the other party's promise to settle the dispute. 3. Legal object. The settlement agreement must have a legal object. This means that the agreement must not be in violation of any laws or public policy. 4. Capacity to contract. The parties to the settlement agreement must have the capacity to contract. This means that they must be of a legal age, of sound mind, and must not be disqualified from entering into contracts by law. If one party breaches the settlement agreement, then the other party can seek legal remedies. The settlement agreement can be enforced through a civil suit, and the party in breach may be liable to pay damages or other remedies as specified in the agreement. Thus, settlement agreements are an effective way to resolve disputes between parties in a business or employment context. The Indian Contract Act provides a legal framework for such agreements, ensuring that they are valid and enforceable. If you are considering a settlement agreement, it is advisable to seek legal advice to ensure that the agreement meets all legal requirements and is enforceable in a court of law. Thus, I would like to quote that there can be no settlement of a great cause without discussion, and people will not discuss a cause until their attention is drawn to it. If you like this video, please share this video to others, and for more legal updates, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.